Good day, and thank you for joining me. I hope that you are having the best day possible and that you feel that this is an emotionally successful day for you. I wanted to provide you a space and time to feel comforted and warmth by Mother Nature. The sounds and sights can provide such a feeling of rest, reset, and rejuvenation that even a few moments grounding our bodies to the earth below us can make all the difference. Allowing our breath to lead the way, allowing our posture to feel strong and secure, can allow us to move through the day the best way we can. Allowing Mother Nature to provide us with the medicine to feel well is all we can ask for. Far too often we stay inside buildings with artificial light and stuffy smells that we don't allow our bodies to feel the feeling of relief and release of tension that comes from being outside in nature. The weather doesn't have to be perfect. Yes, there are going to be other people there, people in the background, and that's okay. That's part of having a lifestyle rooted in nature. We don't edit her. We don't Photoshop her. We accept her for how she is. And that is a hope I have for all of us, that we learn to accept ourselves for who we are and where we are within this moment. Flaws and all. We've earned those flaws. We've earned those scars. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you soon. And as always, take time to be within nature. Be well.